In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Shopify store with Etsy so you can effortlessly sync your listings, manage your inventory, and handle orders more efficiently. Before we jump in, let's make sure we have a few things in place to set ourselves up for smooth sailing. You'll need to have an active Shopify store with all your products listed, complete with images, SKUs, and any product variants. Equally important is having an operational Etsy seller account, ideally with some listed products or required approvals already in place. Another key detail to check is the quality of your product descriptions. Ensure they include accurate tags, SKUs, and detailed descriptions to make the syncing process as seamless as possible. Now let's talk about the magic that brings it all together. Integration apps. There are several popular options out there, each with features that might suit your specific needs. For example, the CedCommerce Etsy integration app is a great tool, enabling you to bulk list products and provide real-time synchronization of inventory, orders, and pricing. Another viable option is the DPL Etsy integration, which offers a straightforward way to sync products, inventory, and orders between Shopify and Etsy. Additionally, there's the ShopUpZ Etsy integration, which is fantastic for importing and exporting listings, as well as syncing prices and stock levels. To start the integration process, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin. Once there, navigate to the Apps section and click on the Shopify App Store. Using the search bar, you can look up one of the aforementioned apps by entering a term like Etsy integration. With a few clicks, you can install the app, taking note that most come with a trial period so you can explore their features firsthand. After installing your chosen app, you'll need to connect it to your Etsy account. This usually involves authorizing the app within Etsy, which is a standard procedure to ensure both platforms communicate securely. Within the app, you'll have options to configure which products you'd like to sync, alongside settings for price rules, shipping preferences, and inventory synchronization. Before you set everything in motion for good, it's crucial to run a few tests. Try placing a test order via Etsy and see if it appears within your Shopify dashboard. Also, keep an eye on your inventory to confirm that it updates accurately on both platforms. This is your safety net, providing peace of mind that both the platforms are in sync and responding correctly. Once you're satisfied with the flow of data between your Shopify and Etsy accounts, you can confidently enable full synchronization. This step will automate the ongoing management of listings, orders, and inventory across both platforms, freeing you up to focus on growing your business.